start it for you.
What's Mommy doing?
Here you go. Do you want to open it? No, you're closing it. Rip it. There, you pull it off all the way.
Popcorn.
Mini bags for a mini little girl. Yay, popcorn. Can you blow kisses?
Ryan. Ryan. Ryan.
Ryan.
No.
Ryan. Hey.
I think there's one more for day number 2.